Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about the Apple Watch or the charger. Now when you're travelling around like me, occasionally the one thing I leave behind is the charger lead for my Apple Watch. Bit of a pain really, especially as you can't use most wireless chargers to charge it up. I haven't found any really apart from purpose made ones which tend to be static. You have to plug them in. That's what this is for. This is a portable wireless charger for the Apple Watch. I'll leave a link down in the description. It's a great little one. I think this is going to work really well. It means you don't have to carry around an extra charger just for that. So it's got 1000 milliamp hour battery in it, so it should last you for a good long while, especially as the Apple Watch has got basically a 2-day charge, depending on what screen watch face you have and if you have the always on display on. But let's unbox this, let's have a look. Hopefully it'll work really well. So it's just a plain sort of box really. Reminds me of your Apple sort of packaging really. Nothing much on the back, just a few of the specs. But so let's unbox this, take this out, see what's involved. So in the box you've got your instructions, all fairly straightforward, self-explanatory. So I'll leave that to one side, nothing else in the box, leave that there. Let's take it out of this packaging. It's actually quite well wrapped really. Obviously a little bit on the cheap side, but it's quite a cheap sort of item really anyway. But so unwrap it. Right, okay, so it's all rounded plastic design. Reminds me of AirPod Pro cases, especially you've got the elongated design. Right, inside got USB charger. We've got elasticated band. That's quite good. Normally you get sort of plastic sort of retainers, and obviously after a short time they snap. But this one's quite well made. It's fairly lightish weight. I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it, obviously because of the battery in it. You've got your circular part for the Apple Watch, and you've got the button there. So you press it, you've got green light. Let's whack the Apple Watch on, and away it goes. Now it is magnetised, so it stays on there quite well actually, not bad at all. And that's about it really. It locates really well. Also does a good job at charging. This is quite handy, you know, because you can whack, say in your backpack or whatever, whack the watch on charge and let it charge up while you're walking around or whatever. This is really pocketable, so you can whack this in your pocket should you need to. And it's a great sort of little modular sort of thing that you can just pop in a side pocket in your bag, and that it really takes up no sort of no space. Now I know somebody's going to ask, will other smartwatches work on it? So I'll make sure the button's pressed, and the answer is no. And this one's the Samsung Galaxy S3, I think, Gear S3, but unfortunately not. So this is just for the Apple Watch. So this can be used, you can charge it up either in your laptop, you can charge it up in a wall socket, and also I'll just see if this works. I'll bring a portable battery charger in, as I don't have a spare lead here. So if we take this off, plug it in, so when it's on charge it'll show the little red LED. And the good thing is if you've got it in like one of these USB wall sockets or such like, where you've got the charger on charge, you can charge the phone up as well. So that's the portable wireless charger for the Apple Watch. Handy, very handy little thing, and it's going to be a permanent place in my bag anyway, especially when I'm going away. Just means you just don't have to take the charger around with you. It's another cable that doesn't get tangled up. Another thing you don't have to find a charging point for, that sort of thing. It will work with the Apple phone charger as well, the plug-in charger. Any sort of USB charger it will sort of recharge with. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video, and hope to see you again soon. All the best for now. Goodbye.